And I'm back with another review. It's been a little while, I guess, right? A couple of weeks. And I have gotten something kind of exciting. Like I mentioned in the last review, I purchased a drone. Yeah, it was a discounted item on Massdrop again. Not that I'm sponsored or anything, but they had a great discount on the DJI Mavic Air, which I've had my eye on for a while, and I'm pretty sure the reason why there was a discount was because of the fact that there's a whole new line of drones coming out right now. Yeah, let's reposition the camera and take a look at this drone unboxing. Alright, and here is our better angle of the box. I don't know why it's so torn and dilapidated already, but it is, so yeah, let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. The trusty Leatherman knife here, and just open. Kind of wondering what everything's gonna look like inside, so let's go ahead and there it is. Oh, okay. Wow. So it looks like the box is empty. Would explain why it's taken so much damage on the box, but I guess that's not really the part that I have to worry about, right? It's more along the lines of what's inside the box. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Here we go. So this is the black onyx one. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but there we go. And let's go ahead and take a look. Get rid of that. Alright, it's pretty simple. We have a nice looking DJI bag here. Oh, it's that way. DJI right there. And then I kind of feel like I opened this upside down. I wonder. Here's another DJI branded box. And then we have two more black boxes in here. I think this is just a spacer. Yeah, there's nothing in there. So this is just a spacer. Put that back. And then let's go ahead and check this out. Put that box aside. Go. All right, all your instructions. Wow. And then what's this? Okay, these are the guards for the props. Then the DJI support card. So interesting. Aside. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. So that is tiny. There it is. Wow, yeah. That is pretty incredible. I think I pulled it out like that, right? Yep. So I'll just put that aside right now and see what comes out of this bag. What's this? Oh, it's just
box. Alright. So like first we have another box with 2 more blades. So yeah, I'm gonna have to read the instructions because I really don't know what these items are all about. You have to look that up. Maybe they're mass battery chargers or something like that. But this being my first drone and all, it's kind of neat. And then 2 extra batteries right off the bat. And the last part of the charging unit. And that's very well built. Everything fits everything perfectly. So I guess really the final thing that I have would be to take this apart. Does this fold down? It does. This folds out. It does. Folds up. And I think we repeat on this side. Alright, and there it is. Pretty amazing. Alright, well, thanks for watching another unboxing, and I'm gonna clean up this mess, go get some batteries charged, and test her out. Until next time. Alright. Peace.